Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are learning ayah number 79 of Surah Al-An'am and onwards. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم إني وجهت وجهي للذي فطر السماوات. In Hamza is sharp, focus B sound attached with noon will get sipa of punna. This kunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Ni, two counts long. Wad, wa makro job. Wow, circle in your lips attached with for fatha open jaws attached with jim. Jim will get sipa of shidda. This shidda means you are cutting, the makhraj is cutting off the sound. Wad. Yeah, for fatha open jaws attach it ha will get sifa after power. Keep both letters light. Jim and ha are both light. So keep your tongue straight while you are pronouncing these two letters. Wajah to for the circle lips, the sound is short. Wajah for makhraj of dua circle in your lips. So fatha open jaws attach it jim. Jim will get sifa up. Qalqala, and this qalqala is not only lamas, you're not just touching it, but you are giving a nice taba'ud here. Waji, waji. He for kasra give e sound. Yeah, for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. And ya is light. Yeah, lil for kasra give e sound attached with lam. Lam will get above the wasud, and the wasud is medium blow sound. La for fatha open jaws. The give the in zal. When you're engaging the right makhraj of dal, that is giving it a the sound. The. Can you hear the sound? The two counts long. Fa give hams and fa for fatha open jaws. Ta is heavy. Ta is the heaviest letter in Quran. So keep this in mind and make it a nice heavy letter. Fa qa ras. Ra is heavy. Fatha open jaws attached with sin. Sin will get sipa after khawa, and it has sipi and it is light. But don't give pressure when you're attaching ra with sin. Otherwise, the khawa will be very squeezed. Don't do that. Ras. For fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Ma, two counts long. Wa, two counts long. T for kasra give e sound, the sound is short. Well, makhraj of voice circling your lips. Fatha open jaws attached with lam. Lam will get above tosut. Aw, hamza is sharp. For fatha open jaws attached with ra. Ra will be heavy because there is fatha before it, and ra will get sipa of the wasut. The is heavy. For fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Ha from your throat. For fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Ni two counts long. Pa, yeah, you're exchanging the sound of noon into long vowel. That is why it is called mad and it is two counts long. Hani, fa. Makhraj of vowel circling your lips. Fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Ma, this is mad munfasil jais. Make it 4 or 5 counts long. Hamza is sharp for fatha open jaws. Na is short too because this can you see this zipper here? This zipper allows what is the ruling of this zipper? When you are in wasal, your recitation is not like you are not giving waqf here, then it will be short. You will not pronounce this alif. But if you are giving waqf here, it will be established. So this zipper will be established when you will give waqf over here. If you are continuing your recitation as we are doing here, so we will not pronounce this alif. So this will be na. As hamza is the way hamza is short, noon is short too. Na, mi for kasra give E sound. Nal for fatha upon jaws. Attached with lam, lam will get sifa of tawassut. Mush for dhamma circle ellipse. Attached with sheen, sheen will get sifa of rahawa, and it has the fashi. And you are not engaging, or you're not giving any shape to your lips while you're pronouncing sheen. Mush. Ri for kasra give E sound. Keen. Because of this above, you are giving temporary sukun here. This temporary sukun has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4. This is mad arid li sukun. Mad arid li sukun can be 2, 4, or 6 counts long. So, but we are making it 4 counts here. Inni wajjahtu wajhiya lilladhi fatara السماوات والأرض حنيفا وما أنا من المشركين. ومخرج الفاء circle in your lips. حاجه. Ha will be 6 counts long. This is mad lazim. When there is sakun asli after long vowel, then it will be 6 counts long. This is called mad lazim. It will be definitely stretched 6 counts long. That's why it is called lazim. So ha give hums in ha and should be from your throat. Make it 6 counts long. Ha. And then it will be attached with jim. Jim will get sifa of, when you are attaching this long vowel into jim, then it will get sifa of nabar, and nabar is jump of sound. And then the fatha with ja, the sound will be short, and this jim should not get any hums in it. Otherwise, it will give the sound of ch. Be very careful. Don't give sound of ch here. So now we are going step by step here. So you should know what to do. Wa short. Ha, that will be 6 counts long. Ha. And then it will be attached with jim. Listen how we attach it. Ha. This is nabar, and then ja is short. Who 2 counts long. Now listen how we do. We will do it. Wahajjahu, who 2 counts long. Qaw, qaf is heavy. Fatha upon jaws attached with wow. This is wow lean, so make it soft when you are attaching fatha with wow. Mu for the circle lips, and who it will be long when you are continuing it, but here we are stopping, so we will give sakun on ha, and ha will get sifa of rahawa then. Mu, as you will touch ha, your lips should be in a straight position. Qawmu. Qaf is heavy, make it 2 counts long. La, for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Hamza is sharp, for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. 2 for the circle ellipse, the sound is short. Ha. Again, it will be 6 counts long. This is mad lazim too, because after a long vowel, there is a sakun asli. So we are giving it mad lazim, making it 6 counts long. And when you are attaching long vowel with jim, jim will get sifa of nabar, and nabar is jump of sound. This will be 6 counts long, because after a long vowel, you received sukun asli here. So this is 6 counts long. And when you will be attaching this 6 counts long vowel to noon will get sifa of unna. and then it will be 2 counts long. So there are so many things going on. So pay attention how we will do that. A, 2 for the ma circle ellipse, the sound is short. Ha, that will be 6 counts long. And when you will be attached with jim, it will get sifa of number. Ha, ju, 2 counts long. This is mad lazim too. أتحاجوني feel or kasra give sound attached with lafz jilala. Lafz jilala will be light because there is kasra before it. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name is always long, so it will be 2 counts long. Fillahi, focus give E sound. Uwa, makhraj of waw, circle in your lips, fatha upon jaws. Qad, qaf is heavy, fatha upon jaws, attached with dal, dal gets sifa of qalqala. This qalqala is not only talamus, not only touching, but it has a very nice taba'ud. Qad, qad, ha is short, da. Because of this waqf, you are making it because of this waqf, you are giving temporary sukoon on noon. This temporary sukoon has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4 counts. So you can make it 2 counts long, 4 counts long, or 6 counts long. But here we are making it 4 counts long. ومخرج واو circle in your lips فتح upon jaws لا مد منفصل جائز you can make it 4 or 5 counts long. Hamza is sharp فتح upon jaws Kha is heavy, make it 2 counts long. When alif is accompanied with a heavy letter, that alif is heavy too, so both are heavy. Kha, fu for the ma circle ellipse, the sound is short. Ma, 2 counts long. Tush for the ma circle ellipse attached with sheen, sheen will get sifa of rakhawa. And as you will touch sheen, your lips should be in a straight position. Ri, ra is light. Whenever ra is with kasra, it is light. Eri, ku for the ma circle ellipse, make it 2 counts long. Na for fatha upon jaws, that sound is short. B for kasra give E sound. He mad munfasil jais, you can make it 4 or 5 counts long. E for kasra give E sound. La, sorry. Il for kasra give E sound, attach it lam, lam will get sifa. Tawassut, il, la, mad munfasil jais, you can make 4 or 5 counts long. Ay, this is gone with gunna, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Ay, yeah, keep ya light, and for fatha upon your jaws, the sound is short. Sha, mad muttasil wajib, make it 4 or 5 counts long. Hamza is sharp for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Rab, ra is heavy for fatha upon jaws, attached ba, ba will get sifa of shidda, that sound will cut off abruptly. B, 2 counts long. Shay, this is yailin, so make it soft. Mad awat is making it 2 counts long. And keep Hamza sharp. Wa, makhraj of our circle in your lips, fatha upon your jaws. C, for kasra give E sound, the sound is short. Ain from your throat nicely for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Rabbi, kul, for the ma circle ellipse attached with lam, lam will get sifa of the wasut. La, fatha is short. Shay, ya is this ya is lean, so make it soft while you are attaching fatha with ya. Shay in this is ruling is idhar and sifa is tawassut. In ain should be from your throat nicely. For kasra give E sound attached with lam, lam will get sifa of tawassut. Ma, mad awad is making it 2 counts long. A, sharp sound for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Fa, give hamza in fa for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. La, 2 counts long. The sharp sound for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. The sharp for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. The give the bind dal for fatha open jaws, attach it kaf. Kaf will get sifa of shidda. There is no hams or rakhawa. The ka for fatha open jaws, the sound is short and and light. Urun. Because of this waqf, you are giving temporary sukun here. This temporary sukun has turned this 2 counts long word into 4. This is mad arid li sukun. Mad arid li sukun can be stretched 2, 4 or 6, but we are stretching 4 counts long here. وحاجه قومه قال أتحاجوني في الله وقد هدان ولا أخاف ما تشركون به إلا أن يشاء ربي شيئا وسع ربي كل شيء علما أفلا تتذكرون ومخرج الطاء circling ellipse fatha open just kay ya is lean so make it soft kaf is light make it to yes it is lean كيف has hums for fatha open just the sound is short hamza is sharp for fatha open just the sound is short kha is heavy so because kha is heavy alif is heavy too make it 2 counts long khafu for dhamma circle ellipse the sound is short mad munfasil jazm you can make it 4 or 5 counts long Ash, Hamza is sharp, put up on jaws attached with Shin. Shin will get sifa of Rakhawa, and it has the fashi. Ash, Rak. Ra is heavy whenever there is fatha on Ra. Ra is heavy for fatha upon jaws attached with Kaf. Kaf will get sifa of hums, and hums is flow of breath. Rak. Tum for the circle ellipse attached with meme will get sifa of the wasut and hukmuhu idhar wa makhraj of power circling your lips fatha open jaws the sound is short la 2 counts long ta a very sharp sound for fatha open jaws kha is heavy because of the heavy letter, this alif is heavy too, make it 2 counts long. Fu, give hams in fa. For dhamma circle, make it 2 counts long. Na, for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. An, hamza is sharp, for fatha open jaws, noon is attached with noon. Noon will get sifa of gunna, this gunna is akmal. So keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Na, for fatha open your jaws, the sound is short. Kum for the circle ellipse attached with meme, we will get sifa of tawasut and hukmuhu idhar. Ash, hamza is sharp, fatha open jaws attached with shin, shin will get sifa of rakhawa and the fashi. Rak, ra is heavy, fatha open jaws attached with kaf, kaf will get sifa of hums and hums is flow of breath. Rak, tum for the circle ellipse and there is ikhfa coming up. This is ikhfa shafawi, so you are keeping the sound in your nose. Kum bil for kasra give e sound attached with lafz jalala. Lafz jalala will be light because there is kasra before it. Billah and lafz jalala is always long, so make it 2 counts long. He for kasra give e sound. Ma 2 counts long. Lam for fatha open jaws attached with me. We will get sifa of tawasut and hukmuhu idhar. Lam you for the circle ellipse, the sound is short. Naz for fatha open jaws attached with za. Za will get sifa of rakhawa and it has safir and this safir has buzzing sound. This should not have S sound. It has Z sound. Nazil for kasra give E sound attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawasut. B for kasra give E sound. He, 2 counts long. Ain from your throat nicely for fatha upon jaws. Lay, ya is lean, so make it soft when you are attaching fatha with ya. Lay, kum for dhamma circle lips attach with meme, you will get sifa of tawassut. And hukmuhu izhar, as you will touch meme, your lips should be in a straight position. Sul, keep seen light for dhamma circle lips attach with lam. Lam, you will get sifa of tawassut. Ta is heaviest letter in Quran, and when it is accompanied with a long vowel, the state of its heaviness will be increased a lot. So ta 2 counts long. Na mad'awad is making it 2 counts long. Fa, give Hamza and Fa for fatha upon jaws. Ay, Hamza is sharp for fatha upon jaws attached with Ya. Ya will get sifa of number, and you remember that Ya has rakhawa too. So the sound should flow and give us jump of sound. So I, this sound should not cut off because of the number. There is number, there is a jump of sound, but there should be a rahawa too. Ay, ayul for the circle ellipse attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of the wasut. Fa, give him hams and fa for fatha upon jaws. The sound is short. Ri, ra is light. Make it 2 counts long. Ri, Qaf is heavy for fatha upon jaws, and this ya is lean, so make it soft when you are attaching fatha with ya. Qaini for fatha upon for kasra give E sound, the sound is short. Hamza is sharp for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Ha from your throat with hams for fatha upon jaws attached qaf. First qaf will get sifa of shidda, the sound will cut off nicely. And for dhamma circle lips, and the sound will be short with second qaf. Qu, bil for kasra give E sound attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. Hamza is sharp for fatha upon jaws attached with mim. You will get sifa of tawassut. And when you are stopping here, this noon will get sifa of the this noon will get sakoon, and it will get sifa of tawassut too. Um, in Hamza is sharp for kasra give E sound, and then there is ikhfa. This ikhfa is like you are about to say ink. So because with kaf the sound of ikhfa is little like different. The sound is different. So how we can figure it out? In can you feel this difference of ikhfas in both ways? With kaf, the ikhfa is different. With ta, the ikhfa is different. In kuntum, tum for the circle ellipse attached with mim will get sifa of tawassut. Da for fatha upon jaws attached with ain. Ain will get sifa of tawassut, and ain should be from your throat nicely. La for fatha upon your jaws, the sound is short. Moon. Because of this work, we are giving temporary sukoon here. This temporary sukoon has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4 counts. This is mad arid lil sukoon, and mad arid lil sukoon can be stretched 2, 4, or 6 counts long. وكيف أخاف ما أشركتم ولا تخافون أنكم أشركتم بالله ما لم ينزل به عليكم سلطانا فأي الفريقين أحق بالأمن إن كنتم تعلمون. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.